Hello everyone and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. In today's video we are going to be doing some decorating throughout the house, but first I've got a couple of clips from when I went home decor shopping that I thought I would share right here at the beginning of the video. The first store that I went to is Target, and Target has a lot of awesome new home decor out right now. The Hearth and Hand section is of course always my favorite, but now they have a new Studio McGee section which I really love as well. The next store that I went over to is At Home, and if you've never been to an at-home store, it's basically just a huge warehouse of home decor. The last store I went to was Marshall's, which is one of my favorite stores to go to. I can always find something there, and they have a lot of cute rugs right now, quite a few jute rugs, and they're all a really affordable price. I'll be showing you some of the rugs that I got here a little bit later. When I have a day like this where I'm doing decorating throughout the house, or if I'm just decorating one room, I like to lay out everything that I have to decorate with, like I showed you guys there, and then I can just go and grab from what I have laid out as I'm decorating. We're going to be starting off here in the master bedroom. I'm going to be hanging up some curtains that I ordered off of Amazon. I wanted to get these hung up, see if I like them in here, and I did. I'm going to be keeping these. They are an amazing price for being 96 inches long. They're a white linen curtain and they're really great quality, so I'll put a link for them down below. I'm also going to be hanging those up with some black curtain clips. The curtain clips and the curtain rods are both from Walmart and they're both a great price and really great quality, so I would recommend those. Before I get started with the decorating today, I'm going to plug in my Airwick plugins with the scented oils, get it smelling amazing in this house. I turned on some music, just trying to set the vibe in the house because I was going to be decorating all day long. And I'm so excited that Airwick is sponsoring today's video, so a big thank you to them. Airwick scented oils can help to set the vibe for your home. And to me, part of setting the mood for your home is scents. I love having a good smelling home, and with Airwick plug-in scented oils, my home can smell amazing all the time. I had 2 of their plugins going all day while I was decorating, and that night when my husband got back from work, he said 3 different times how amazing the house smelled, and it did. It smelled so good. I had the lavender going in the bedroom, and then the apple cinnamon going out here in the kitchen. The apple cinnamon has to be my favorite scent because it just smells like fall and Christmas time. And here I'm showing you how you put the refill into your plug-in. It's super easy. You just screw the cap off of the refill, pop it right into the plug-in, and then plug it into the wall. And then here I'm showing you how you can change the fragrance settings on top. So it's got 5 different settings for how intense or strong the scent will be. It's got low, which is a 4-second burst of fragrance with a 17-minute pause, medium with a 5-second burst, 12-minute pause, and then high, which is a 6-second burst of fragrance and a 10-minute pause. These are infused with natural fragrant essential oils, and they're available in a variety of scents on Amazon.com. And I love that they have such a huge range of fragrances available on Amazon. It makes it very convenient. You can get any fragrance you want delivered to your door. So go and check them out. I will have the link down below, and a huge thank you again to Airwick for sponsoring this video. Okay, so now back to the decorating. Like I had said, I'm hanging curtains here in the master bedroom. I ended up deciding to just go with white linen curtains. Back in my previous decorating video, we tried some gray curtains in here and they just weren't really working out, so I just went with a simple white linen. First things first, I had to get the curtain rods hung up, and hanging up curtain rods is not my favorite job. but after all the curtain rods that I've hung up over the years, I've discovered that if you just take your time and do it right the first time, it's so much easier. So I try to take my time, do all of the measurements, get them exactly lined up. I ended up doing 1.5 inches down from the ceiling and then 4 inches out from the window, and that was just perfect. I always like to take my curtains all the way up to the ceiling. It makes your room feel bigger. Even just hanging up these curtains on this one window, when I would walk into this bedroom, it felt bigger than it did before. Now I'm trying to decide which of these canvases I should hang above the bed. I really wanted to bring some navy blue into this bedroom, so that's why I really loved this big blue painting from Minted. I had my eye on this for a while, and I finally just got it the other day. These are the colors that I want to bring into the bedroom, so this will be perfect. And you guys aren't going to get to see this bedroom anymore after this video until the bedroom makeover video. I just thought I would give you guys a little sneak peek in this video by sharing the painting that I picked and also the curtains. And just like with the curtain rods, when you're hanging something on the wall, if you take your time and do all of the right measurements, you don't have to put several holes in the wall. I used to be that person that would put like 5 holes in the wall when I only needed 1 for the screw, because you kept having to adjust it because I wouldn't get it straight. There you guys got to see a closer look at these curtains. These are just the perfect linen curtains. Such a good price for a pack of 2. The link will be down below, and they almost have a few gray brown flecks mixed in with them. So just a really awesome curtain. Originally, I was only going to hang 1 curtain panel on the far side of each window just because the windows are so small, but I ended up adding a second curtain panel to that window, so you guys can let me know down in the comments if you like it with 1 curtain panel or 2. And we also added a rug out here to our master bedroom patio. I'm excited to decorate this a little bit more in the future. Okay, so now I'm trying to decide which of these rugs I'm going to have at the front door, and in the last decorating video, we did put a new rug at this front door, but that rug was a little bit too thick to put here because every time we would try to open the door, it would catch a little bit on the rug, and it was just getting really annoying because every time we went out the front door, the rug would move. So I decided to get a new rug, and I was trying to decide between these 2 jute rugs that I got at Marshall's. I ended up going with this more natural colored jute rug, and I put that rug pad underneath of it so that it wouldn't slip around. Okay, so now we need to pick a rug for the kitchen. All 3 of these are from Marshall's. 2 of them are more of a jute style rug. This first jute rug, I thought I would just give it a try, but it is a little bit rough and it's got these fringes which might get in the way. And this third rug is a little bit of a softer jute rug, but I wasn't sure if I wanted the rug to have white in it because there's already so much white going on in the kitchen. And then the third one is actually the one that I ultimately end up going with. And this rug is a little bit out of my comfort zone. It's not normally something that I would purchase because it's so colorful. Usually I do more neutral colors in my house, as you guys have seen, but I actually really loved it. I loved how cushy and soft it was for my feet, and also it matched our floors perfectly, as you guys can see. Now I'm going to do a little bit of redecorating here in the living room, and I did recently do a complete living room makeover video here on my YouTube channel. If you haven't seen that video yet, I will link it down below. This first item I'm adding in here is this cactus canvas from FY. I have this in a smaller print back in the boys' bedroom. Loved it so much, thought it would be perfect for this corner, so I went ahead and ordered it in this larger canvas. This corner needed some type of statement piece, and I feel like this cactus is just perfect for this corner. And I know you're wondering where the large cactus went that used to be right here up against the brick fireplace. What I didn't tell you guys in that living room makeover video is that the cactus actually broke in shipping, so I kind of had it leaning up against the fireplace, so it was a little bit tipsy. It could have fallen over easily, so I went ahead and took that down, and if we can't fix it, then I will be ordering a little bit smaller of a cactus. So here I'm adding in a few new items that I got from At Home and Target. I got a new candlestick holder and some candlesticks to add up here on the mantle, and that black metal basket, I got that 50% off at Home. I thought that would be perfect to put beside this leather chair to put books and photo albums, magazines, different things like that in it. And I took down those 3 large candlesticks that I have, and I replaced them with these 3 slimmer candlesticks, and I added the candles in them. I think it just looks a lot better. It looks a little bit more minimal. This Highland cow print is also from FY. I thought this would maybe look good up here, but it didn't look good after I put it up there. So I decided to put it back in the boys' bedroom, and I ended up just putting this canvas, which is also from FY, up here on the mantle that I had got to maybe put in the master bedroom. But I feel like I still haven't found what I ultimately want for the center of this fireplace. I don't think I want any type of print or canvas. I want something along the lines of a mirror or some type of piece like that. I love the candlesticks and I love the books and things that I did on the other side. I just need to find that perfect one big piece for the middle. So I'm still on the hunt for that. There's no rush. I'm sure I will find something eventually. are going to do something with this little alcove over here eventually. Originally, I thought that I was going to put an entryway table in there, but now I'm thinking that I might put a piano in there. I want to get a used piano and then I want to paint it. I've seen some really neat ideas online of people who have painted pianos and they turned out so beautiful, so I would love to get a used upright piano, paint it, and put it in that alcove, so we shall see what happens eventually. Now I want to add a few things to our guest bathroom. This bathroom also got a makeover a couple months ago. We've been renovating every room in this house for the last 6 months. If you're new here and you want to go back and see those videos, they're all over on my YouTube channel. So I wanted to add a hook rack in this bathroom to hang towels on. I got this smaller one off of Amazon, which ended up being smaller than I thought it was going to be. And then this large one is from Magnolia Home. Marshalls now sells Magnolia Home products as well. So just another reason why you need to go and check out Marshalls. But I held both these up here on the wall. This one from Amazon was just a little bit too small, so I decided to go ahead and hang up the one from Magnolia Home. But once I got that hung up, that looked a little bit too big. I think I need something as long as this one from Magnolia Home, but it doesn't need to be as tall as this. It's a little bit too tall for this bathroom, and also I feel like the wavy design on top just really doesn't go with the bathroom, so I'm going to have to continue hunting for something. But anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's decorating video. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along as we continue to renovate this house. And a big thank you again to Airwick for sponsoring this video. And I will see you guys in a couple days with a brand new video. Bye!